Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to trade US30 cash by using symmetry of legs. Alright, here we have a 3 high and 1 low volume spike on 92% of the previous leg. So we have a negative hook and we can open sell trade. Moreover, this is our first leg drop. And by using the symmetry of this drop, we can find our target trade. Then now, we have first retracement leg. Moreover, by using the symmetry of this leg, we can find our second sell trade. And this is the main drop leg. By using the symmetry of this leg, we find our target trade. Thanks for watching this video. If this video was useful for you, please share it with your friends.